Hey, what's going on, Beowulf Nation? It's on Beowulf back in it with another YouTube video. Hey, woo! This is a Sunday night. Figure, hey, let's get this news out. I saw it. I'm like, hey, let's talk about it. Let's shoot this YouTube video. And got out here and have to still edit it and get it up. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification and get notified as soon as the video is uploaded. So let's get this going, man. Massive fire at Can-Am warehouse. Torches tons of ATVs and UTVs. I have to have some clips of this fire. It is unbelievable. That it looks like a lot of inventory is now destroyed, and it's not good to see this kind of stuff happen. But you know, I don't know. Some of the photos I saw, a video, the fire trucks look like they're from the 1950s. I kid you not. I looked at it and I thought, like, here's a modern day building and there's a 1950s fire truck coming to take it out. So let's read off this article that I saw here, and I'll roll some clips of it and get a little, my opinion after the fact. But let's get this story rolling. Huge blaze reported yesterday at an ATV warehouse in, man, should I even try pronouncing this? Jettrim, Mexico? I'm sorry. Some of these things, man, it's like, I'm looking, I'm like, what? The fire sent plumes of smoke into the sky that could be seen across the border into Texas, triggering a flurry of emergency phone calls from concerned residents in the area. According to KBI TV in El Paso, around 1 p.m. Central Time, an explosion of unknown origin created the giant fire which burned the whole lot of ATVs to an unrecognizable crisp. That's pretty crazy. So this isn't just something started on fire. This is big bada boom explosion. So did somebody set this off? Did something go wrong? I don't know. It's very concerning, and it's just like, oh man, you just see some of these shots, and it's all these, because like, they put these things in crates after they're built to be assembled wherever they're going, and it looks like this could be all the 2022 inventory completely gone, and yeah, man, it's unfortunate. Even as much as I don't like seadoo, I just don't like to see stuff like this being natural resources being wasted and stuff like that. It's pretty upsetting, man. Fortunately, officials told the Mexican news outlet El Diario all the workers inside the plant were safely evacuated, which that's a good thing to hear that, because they would hate to see somebody died in this fire. The same cannot be said to the vehicles, many of which were destroyed. Which I already said that. In case you're not familiar with Ciudad Juarez, or Juarez City, it's a busy city in the state of Chihuahua. Oh man, these are coming to be a little complicated words. In Mexico, commonly called Juarez it lies on the Rio Grande River south of El Paso. Combined, the El Paso Juarez area has a population of 2.7 million, and the business trade is often conducted between the two cities. The now burned, oh man, foreign-owned manufacturer plant that processes or assembles raw components for the export, get parts from Can-Am, and builds units before shipping them back to the U.S. So this is kind of where it's just a plant where they're being built, and they have all the parts. So this could be really, if you own a Can-Am, you might be pretty screwed on getting parts now. This could be where the parts are stored. It's hard to tell. BRP, which owns Can-Am, owns two. I think they have two plants in that area, and it appears it is one of the facilities that has been outfitted ATV and UTV manufacturer, like auto manufacturers, experienced a big uptick in sales. because I'm pretty positive the sea-doo plant, and that's why I'm kind of shocked when I was reading this. I did a little more research because I'm like, I'm pretty positive that the Can-Am and the sea-doo plants were pretty in the same area or were at the same facility. So probably we'll find out more of this later on. Maybe it hit with sea-doo. Who knows? I'm just reading what's being told. I'm not there. So, off-road vehicles like Can-Ams are practically interested to buyers right now, which means the showrooms are already low. I don't even think showrooms have anything low, and don't even have anything. The fire is certainly going to be a delay in production and deliveries even more as more details evolve on the front. We'll keep you posted. Well, yeah, obviously there's going to be a delay. Their factory just got burned down. Oh yeah, look. There might be a delay. This is their only factory, but there might be a delay. There is going to be a delay. Yeah, that's just crazy. So I'll have to put some clips and some footage of this if I can, or at least get some photos. But man, it's like, I was scrolling and somehow I saw this earlier, and then I was like, oh man, I gotta shoot a video talking about this. So but I am positive, pretty positive, the sea-doo plant is right near there. So who knows, may it hit sea-doos? What do you guys think? Put a comment at the bottom what you guys think. And yeah, man, it's crazy to see this stuff going on, because it's like, man, it's just wild. It's wild what's going on. It's like you literally turn on the news each and every day, and there's so much stuff going on, it's not even funny. And a lot of stuff I don't even want to talk about on here because it's not it's controversial of what some stuff to be said now. So keep my mouth zipped. But yeah, comment at the bottom what you guys think. Also too, check out my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. Probably haven't had a link up top the whole entire time. Also too, you can go on the IamBeowulf.com, which is all going to be discontinued merch on there. So what you see has, whatever's left, is when it's gone, it's gone. It's at IamBeowulf.com, and then you can see in the bottom of the video if you're on your phone or your computer, there's a whole new merch store. That's BeowulfNation.com, so check that out. Always new stuff coming out, but pretty cool stuff. We got beach towels and leggings. You got a girlfriend, you can get her a set of Viking Wolf, Beowulf leggings. There's a bunch of cool stuff on there, so always new things coming out, so check that out. And man, I'll be doing a future video too, doing a giveaway with my Yamaha GP 1800R, so comment at the bottom if you guys like to see that. And I'll be doing a video talking about what I've been thinking about doing with the Yamaha GP 1800R as a jet ski giveaway. So, it's the end of the video. Hit the subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. Get notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Remember, stay mighty and keep strong.